Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roa and I'm back again with another video. So today I am going to be unboxing a mystery box from Shapermint. I'm not sure if you guys know that I have partnered with Shapermint in the past and they were kind enough to send me one of their mystery box. So that is what we're going to be unboxing. So if you want to see everything from the mystery box, everything they sent me, make sure that you stay tuned, okay? So welcome back. Before we get into all of the unboxing and the fun part of the video and everything, I do want to say that I have worked with Shapermint in the past. If you guys know that I've actually worked with them on 2 other videos. So if you guys want to check those out, I was a little more specific about my thought process and everything that I like about their product a little more in detail. So if you want to check that out, make sure that you hit that playlist, okay? Also, I do have a coupon code for you guys today. I'm going to be sharing it on the screen, as well as I'm going to leave it down in the description box. So make sure that you do check that out. But without further ado, let's get into this mystery box, okay? All right, so this is the box that they sent, okay? This is, what is it called? It says Shapermint mystery box, and it's a treat or treat, okay? So no tricks, only treats. Thank you, Shapermint, for sending me this. I'm actually really excited. All right, so it looks like, so this mystery box is in reference to Halloween that's coming up. A happy Halloween, happy early Halloween to you guys. But this is just in case that you do want to get the mystery box, you're able to. Like I said, I do have a coupon code. Make sure that you use it, and it's for 20% off, so check it out. This is a bunny headband. Nice. Okay, it's been a long time since I dressed up, so it's gonna be interesting, okay? I think I also got a bunny tail, so it looks like I'm gonna be a bunny, okay? All right, so let's go into everything that they sent me. Right. So the first thing that I got from the box is this Daily Comfort wire-free bra. You guys know that I have tried on this bra before, and I've also, like I said, make sure you checked out my other videos, but I am going to try everything on. But I do want to say that this bra is very comfortable. I've tried them and I know how it feels. And girl, if you've never tried bras before, you should be. You should absolutely be trying it on. I'm glad that they did send this to me. I think this would be like maybe a 3rd one, because they have sent it to me before, and I absolutely love this bra. It's like comfort like you've never been before. I feel like some of these items I've had before. Maybe there might be some new one. It looks like this next one might be new to me. So this one is from Empetua. This is the scoop neck cami. And I've never had that cami, so this would be my first time getting their camis, okay? The material, you know how like you open something up and you can tell that it's a quality material? That is one thing that I really do like about Shapermint. Okay, so we do have a cami. I believe I got this one in size XL. I'm gonna try all of this for you guys, okay, in a minute. Just give me a second. I just want to unbox it with you guys, and then we're gonna go to try and play dress up, okay? So the next one that I do have is this Empetua. It says tear proof shaping tights. I've never had shaping tights either, so this is good. This is good. I got new items I've never tried before. So I've never tried their shaping tights before, so I'm excited. I've heard a lot of things about this. It's supposed to be tear proof, and I'm going to be definitely trying it on to see what it feels like and everything. So excited for that. The last item in the box is the high-waisted Shapermint leggings. I have had this before and I have tried it on before, so, and I do absolutely love it. I think this one and the biker one are my like two favorite go-to ones. So yeah, so I'm excited about that I got another one. Okay. Okay, so I will definitely be trying this on as well. I'm going to be playing around with I'm going to be showing you guys the tights and the cami, because those items I've never tried them before, and I'm just going to play around with them with the items that they sent me, and we're going to play around with it, and I'm going to share my thoughts. So I'll be right back. So while I was going through the box, I also saw that they did send me a card. I absolutely love a personal touch when it comes to the cards. It says, hop to it. You'll be hopping around Halloween in style and comfort. We've gathered our bestseller paired with Halloween essentials to get you through the season. So that's very thoughtful. Thank you so much. All right, so I wanted to show you guys, although I have tried on the bra before, I wanted to still show you guys what it looks like. Like I'm telling you, if you have not tried their bra, you are missing out. Okay, when I say comfort to the max, period. And it doesn't look like it's holding up the girls very, very nicely. Okay, so I really do still love the bra. Like I said, if you want a little more detail about everything, please make sure that you do check out my other Shapermint videos that I've done. I have a playlist on my channel. Make sure you check that out. Very comfortable. This size is an XL, which I'm glad. So the bra, this is what it looks like. You can see it has a lot of coverage. There's no side fat showing or anything like that. I absolutely, listen, their bra is definitely A1. Okay. Let me just say this. I've had like really bad experiences when it comes to tights, just because I felt like I've never worn a tight that's lasted more than maybe a second or third wear. So that's sort of like the experience I've had. They've always ripped. They've always like had issues. So what I say is that this tight, give me a second, I don't think I gotta move my camera, that you guys are seeing right now, this tight right here, it was not terrible to put on. Like, it literally slide on. I will say, make sure that you get your size. Okay, this ones are 2X, and I think it was really good that I was able to that I got 2X, because it literally just fit me like a glove, and I didn't have any issues with it. You can see that, of course, there's a darker area and then the lighter part of it. I do have this jeans on, my little booty jeans. Okay, so you guys can see what it feels like, us, you know, we're not trying to get demonetized and, you know, YouTube, but yeah. Okay, you can see what it feels like. They feel very comfortable. This will go under a skirt, a dress, of course, however you wear your tights. You can wear it, but I would definitely say that it wasn't hard to put on as a big girl. Okay, putting on tights, it's a workout. Okay, it's a workout, but I would say that it wasn't not as hard to put on, and they are thick quality tights. You can tell that is very I don't know, the way the material is made is not one of those flimsy flam type of material. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. So I'm going to try on the cami, and I'm going to be, oh, this cami is nice. Okay, this is a nice cami. It definitely, I don't know about you, but it definitely, my jeans is right here, and the tight, oh, by the way, those tights, they're definitely high-waisted, because they come all the way up here. I don't think I mentioned it earlier, but they do come all the way up here. So y'all see this candy? Okay. Okay, I need to stop doing that, but I like this. I really like it. Definitely does compresses, at least for me. I don't know why I keep doing that, but it definitely compresses the tummy area for me. Okay, all right. I really like the candy. It's very comfortable and it's breathable as well too. So it's not something that you're like, oh my god. It's definitely breathable. I like it. It's firm. That's all I'm gonna try on for you guys, but I'm going to put on the little costume to show you guys. Give me 1 second. I have been laughing for the past like 5 minutes straight because this is so different for me. It's so cute though. I got my little bunny ears, okay, and I got my tail, okay. Really happy Halloween, okay. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is cute. I feel cute. Can't wait. I'm definitely gonna wear this to see when DJ comes home and show him, because I'm sure he's gonna be like, where are you going? To a Halloween party. All right, so we are at the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. Okay, I do have a coupon code for you guys. I'm gonna show it on the screen as well as link it down below. Make sure that you utilize that and, you know, check some of this out, because like I said, they do have really high quality materials that they use to make their stuff. And you guys, like I said, you want more detail about everything that I've ever gotten, make sure that you hit that playlist, okay? Use my code, and I hope you guys stay safe and be safe and have fun. Okay, be safe, but also make sure that to remember to have fun. Till next time, stay beautiful, stay with the ears, with the bunny ears, and stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.